Hello there. Why not subscribe and hit the bell notification? Got a lot of good stuff coming down the line. And here are the items you'll need. It might seem strange, but it'll make sense in a little bit. I don't always use the E6000 glue, but I always keep it near in case. You'll be needing these nails for the eyeball that you're going to place, and this is the actual iris that you are going to place on the nail for the eyeball. And here's our model making her debut. You will see me doing her eyes today. We're getting rid of the excess nail that we're not going to use, and then we're going to cut this nail in half. So we have one half for one side of the eye and one half for the other. And here's some double stick tape to use on the nail and on the back of the crystal. And I'm just flattening those out a little bit so they're not so round. And just putting the double stick tape on to put on the nail, and also the stone for the eyeball is going to go on top of there. I might end up changing and doing this part with my E6000 glue, but I have tried a few of them this way, and so far they've worked out fine. I'm just not sure I love the end result as much as I would with the E6000 glue. And now we're just putting that constructed eye in the eye socket of the doll's face from behind. And the first time is not always the time that it works, so I'm having to redo this right here. And just doing the same thing with the other side. One of the stones that I had put on the flower before fell off, so I'm having to put that on again. And I had not used E6000 glue the first time. And there she is, all finished, and I hope you like this video. I hope you will comment and subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next. And make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you did like this video, let me know that you'd like to see more like it. And there's an even better view of her with her eyes now. So hope you have a great day. See you next time. Bye.